In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and clicking on sound and vibration after scrolling down. Then scroll down again and click on vibration and haptics. Now to enable or disable vibration and haptics, use the switcher at the top. If you decided to enable them, you can also tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back. Now click on Shortcut to prevent ringing and enable it. Then set up Vibrate by clicking on it, or disable Vibrate by hitting mute. You can also just turn off this option completely by using the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!